Hello, I'm Bean.
And I'm Gravy.
And we are Animal Lovers 101. And we got an idea to make Play-Doh dresses for our MagiClip dolls from Fun Toys Collector. And you should check out her video. And so I made a dress for Queen Elsa.
And I made one for Princess Belle, and it's a Hawaiian style.
And then, so first you have to pick a doll. I chose Tiana.
And I chose Jasmine.
And now all we have to do is make the Play-Doh dresses. So I'm going to pause it right now, quick make it, and show you the end result. Okay, so I made Tiana's dress. Little bracelet, it's a little poofier at the top part. And it's a little poofier right there. And then
I made
Tiana.
And I made Jasmine, princess, and well, I put blue on her because I thought blue reminded me of her, and the brown were just random designs.
Yeah, so you please like, comment, and subscribe, and in the comments please tell us which one's your favorite. If Tiana's your favorite, put down hashtag Tiana. If Queen Elsa's your favorite, put down hashtag Elsa. And then if Jasmine's your favorite,
you put down hashtag Jasmine. And if Belle's your favorite, you put down the hashtag Belle.
So thanks for watching. Give us challenges and dares, and we are most likely to do them. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.